Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. A new little twist on object to path. I have two objects here, um, not even close together, and I'm going to hit T to put them back to even. I've got them selected. I'm going to shift select my path, and I'm going to go up to object and go down to object to path. And I literally just guessed at 30 duplicates, and look what you get. If you were building a building that had an arched brick pattern, and what I always like about object to path, you can grab your path and take it out of the way. You know, like the blend tool, you have to do some other things, and you could, do a lot with this and change the mortar. Different. You could do different lines and have the mortar running. Put a little gray in there, but that, if you were building a building and you wanted, you don't have to use red. I just use red just kind of signify a block of brick. Anyway, give that a try. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.